Hi guys, welcome back to Barbie Talk. I have some disappointing news. I was dressing my mate to move Barbie, and look, she has a big ass crack on her neck. Gosh, I'm so sad. She's so pretty, but I had her for 5 years, and I guess I don't know what happened. I don't know if I dropped her or anything, but yeah, she has a cracked neck, but it still moves. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna get another one. I might. Okay, well, you guys, thank you so much for watching Barbie Talk. Yeah, I'm sorry to show you this, but she had a cracked neck. Bye bye.